Alright, hello everyone, this is Mr. Crozier. I'm going to go over problems 3 and 4 on your homework today. These are the difference quotient problems. We have a function and we're told to run it through this, which is a difference quotient. You'll do this in calculus next year. We're practicing it now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this function, I'm going to write it out exactly like that. And what that is an h at the bottom minus something here. And what that something is if I run 6 through this function, let me see what I have here. Let's see, I can do this. I have 6 being squared minus 6 plus 3, 33. So my denominator is always h. This is 6, and I minus that. So now I have to run this through, and I'm running that through this function right here. So it's going to look like 6 plus h squared minus 6 plus h plus 3. And what you should see in here is that matches perfectly. X squared minus x plus 3. That was my original function, x squared, but now it's 6 plus x squared plus h squared minus x, so it's minus all this plus 3. And now it's just a matter of simplifying. So you want to be able to FOIL this quickly. That's 36 plus 12h plus h squared minus 6 minus h. Don't forget to minus both of those. Plus 3 minus 33. All right, let me go ahead and simplify the top. I'm going to get rid of all the constants first. I have 36 minus 6 plus 3 minus 33. And if you do this correctly, they always come out to be 0 in this case. So they will be 0. And then what do I have left? I have 12 h's minus an h. That's 11h plus h squared. So I've simplified the top. I've accounted for everything. And now what I'm going to do is simplify this. That's 11h over h plus h squared over h. Those divide out. 11h squared divided by h is just h. So that's what we're going for in these problems right here. We're running this function through this difference quotient, and the value is 11 plus h. Sometimes we get a number. This case we get an expression. All right, let's do one more. Same deal. I'm going to start off with an h at the bottom always. I'm going to subtract the value of negative 4. So I always just go ahead and write it like that. 8 times negative 4 minus 3 is negative 35. Be careful here. This is a subtraction problem, but I'm subtracting a negative. That's going to turn into a positive at the end. All right, I have 8x minus 3, 8 times my new x minus 3. And again, I'm going to write that for you. That's 8x minus 3. So there we go. 8 times x minus 3. X is that. Now it's just a matter of simplifying. 8 times 4 is negative 32. 8h minus 3. Now be careful here. Minus a minus is a positive. All right, let's do some simplification. Let me do my constants. Negative 32 minus 3 plus 35. Good. That's how you know you got it right. Those are gone. And I'm left with 8h over h. Well, those are 1. I'm left with 8. All right, there you go. That's using the difference quotient on the given functions.